What if the biggest reason your business feels chaotic isn't your team, your market, or even the strategy, but your systems?
And what if the solution isn't hiring more people, but making your system actually talk to each other?
Exactly, that is what we are going to talk about today. And this is Jerry and Deepthi. This is ZenTalks. We are talking about Zoho ERP. Let's start with the real question. When people hear ERP, they immediately think about complex, expensive, and overwhelming. But in Zoho ecosystem, what does ERP actually mean?
That's a great place to start. So Zoho ERP isn't a single monolithic software like a traditional ERPs. It's more like a connected ecosystem of applications that together manage your entire business. So instead of rigid systems, you have modules like CRM for sales, books for finance, and inventory for stock, project for execution, and HR tools all working together simultaneously.
That's very true. So instead of forcing business into one structure, or it adapts how the business actually operates.
Exactly. And that flexibility is what makes it more powerful. So you're not buying an ERP. You are building one that fits your business.
So let's talk about the problem side. What actually happens when business don't have the ERP system in their place?
So what usually happens is fragmentation. Like sales is tracking in one tool, finance is using something else, inventory is on spreadsheets, and operations are managed manually. So the real issue is in tools. It's that they don't talk to each other. So you get duplicate data, delays, errors, and constant back and forth communication errors.
Got it. So and I have seen this also, like teams spending more time actually reconciling the data, they actually then making the decisions at the time.
Exactly, and that's why growth starts slowing down, because transactions increase and complexity multiplies over time.
Okay, so how does this Zoho ERP solves this? Like what actually changes when a business implement it in their system?
So the biggest change will be integrations.
Okay.
So when a lead is converted in CRM, it can automatically become a customer in books. A sale order can trigger inventory updates, invoices, and even delivery processes. So everything flows without manual interruption.
Okay, so essentially one action triggers the chain reaction across the all system software.
True.
Okay.
And that's where efficiency comes in. So you are not just saving time, you are reducing errors and improving accuracy across all the platforms.
Okay, so one thing I always hear from business is the business owners. Basically, they do say that I don't have visibility. And how does this Zoho ERP actually help them and address the situation?
So coming to visibility, I'd say this is one of the strongest advantage of Zoho ERP. So with everything connected, you get real-time visibility into your business. So you can see your sales pipeline, cash flows, inventory levels, and also operational status, all without switching between applications.
That's really great actually. And I guess that changes decisions making. It actually speeds up the whole process then.
Absolutely. And so instead of waiting for reports or manual compiling data, leaders can make decisions instantly, and it shifts the business from reactive to proactive.
Wow, that's great. So let's talk about the actual impact this Zoho ERP provides. So from your experience, where do businesses see the biggest transformation after implementing in the system?
So if I have to say, it would be finance and operations. Okay. So it's because financial data becomes more accurate and up to date, because now it's directly connected to your transactions, and at the same time operations becomes more smoother. Orders are processed faster, inventory is better managed, and procurement becomes more predictable.
Okay, so it's not just a random automation, it's about the control and overall process.
Exactly. And automation without visibility is risky, and Zoho ERP gives you both.
Got it. Okay, so what about the growing business? So one concern is always like, will the system scale with the business growth?
Okay, so that's where Zoho stands out, because it's modular. You can start small and expand as you grow. Okay. And you can also customize workflows, automate process, and even build custom applications using tools like Zoho Creator.
That's actually wonderful. So you're not logged into a system itself, so you evolve with the organization.
Exactly, and Zoho ERP grows as your business grows.
Great. So if you had to sum it up, what is Zoho ERP really doing for a business.
It brings structure to chaos. So it connects people, process, and data into one unified system.
Okay.
And once that happens, businesses don't just operate better, they grow smarter.
If your business actually feels disconnected, delayed, or overly dependent on the actual manual work, it might not be the actual people problem, it might be the systems problem.
And if you are exploring how to build or optimize your ERP using Zoho, that's exactly what we do at Zentegra.
Yep, right. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video to the person who actually needs this kind of implementation. We're always there to help you. The link is right in the description. Okay, this is ZenTalks, where system meets strategy. See you in the next episode. That's exactly what we are diving in today. And this is Jerry and Namrata. This is ZenTalks. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Off the camera.